Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to log in to your Candy Crush Saga. Open your Candy Crush Saga, then over here you can see My Progress, Retrieve My Progress. Here you can tap on this as well, or go to the top left corner at the bottom in settings. Tap on My Account. Here you'll see the option of sign up with your Gmail or continue with Facebook's. Tap on sign up with email. Here enter your email. Over there enter your password. I have entered my password. Now tap on create a King account. There you have the option of get email for King. You'll get an email about new game and offer. I don't prefer receiving emails, so I'll tap on this. If you want emails notification, then you can tap on yes as well. Over here you can see you can edit your name as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.